Good afternoon all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So in the last class we learned the first unit completely. So we have to move on to the second unit named Still We Rise. What is the title? Still We Rise. Unit 2. Still We Rise. In this unit, the first story is a very beautiful story, wonderful story. I hope you all like it very much because that is a fairy tale, that is a Cinderella. Cinderella. Did you hear the story before? Did you hear this story, Cinderella story before? Yes, it's a very wonderful story. So, before entering to the story, you can see a piece of newspaper article here in page number 40. Are you ready? Yes, let me read a newspaper report. Express News. 10-year-old girl dies of torture by stepmother. What is the news? What's about the news? Torturing of stepmother. So that 10-year-old girl dies. Lucknow. The story happens in Lucknow. A 10-year-old girl surrendered to death at the Medical College Hospital here on Thursday on being tortured by her stepmother. So, a 10-year-old girl died because of the torturing of stepmother in the Medical College Hospital. According to the police, the deceased is Salakha, daughter of Aravind, Indira Nagar, Lucknow. That is the details of the died girl. Salakha was a student of class 6. So, she was in the age of few. Of government high school at Indira Nagar. She was studied in the school in Indira Nagar. She was admitted with serious injuries to a hospital in the city around 6 p.m. on Thursday. So, she was admitted in the hospital on 6 p.m. on Thursday. The doctors who found the parents' explanation unsatisfactory informed the police. So, the hospital administration and the doctors asked the reason for that, and the explanation of the parents did not satisfy the doctors. That is why they called the police, and later she was shifted to the Medical College Hospital where she died around 11 p.m. At 11 p.m. she was died. Preliminary medical reports confirmed that the girl had undergone extreme physical torture which resulted in her death. So, the report confirmed that the girl was died because of physical harassment, torture. There were several marks on her body. Local residents said that they had informed child line activists about the incident. Then the local people, residential area people, informed their child line activists such a case. So, about this newspaper article, you can see 4 questions under that. Let me read the first. What is the newspaper report about? So, you understood the newspaper report. So, what is the report about? Yes, of course, the torturing, the death of the girl. What is the reason for the girl's death? So, read the newspaper report and try to write the answer. What would you do if such a thing happened in your locality? What do you do? If the thing is happened in your locality, in your area, what you will do? Have you ever come across such incidents in your life? You ever face such an incident in your life? No way. I think no way. So, now we can go to the new beautiful story, that is Cinderella. Cinderella, as per the title, the main character in the story is named what? Cinderella. Before starting our story, let me ask, how many of you helped your mother in kitchen? Did you help? Yes, very good. But if you take it as a torture, is it hard to do all the household work? No. Yes, anyway, let's see what happened to Cinderella. The Cinder Girl. So our Cinderella, the story Cinderella is divided into small sections. The first section is the Cinder Girl. The first section is Cinder Girl, the Cinder Girl. So look at the text, very beautiful story. So you just follow me. Once upon a time, there was a rich man who lived happily with his wife and daughter. The story happens once upon a time. There was a rich man. There was a rich man, very rich man, who lived happily with his wife and daughter. So this rich man lived a happy life with his wife and daughter. One day his wife fell sick. One day his wife, the rich man's wife, fell sick. She was not well. When she felt that her end was drawing near, she called her only daughter near her and said, "Dear child, be good and pious, and God will always take care of you. I'll look upon you from heaven and I'll be with you." So this rich man's wife became ill. When she felt that her end was drawing near, she called her only daughter near her and said, "Dear child, be good and pious." So she the wife, the mother of the daughter knew what she is almost going to die. Then she called her daughter and said to her that, "Dear child, be good and pious." Dear child, be good. Live as a good person and be pious. Pious means believe in God. And God will always take care of you. After my death, God will help you to do all the things. I will look upon you from heaven, and after my death, I will look upon you always from the heaven. I will be with you, and I will be always with you. And then she closed her eyes forever. After giving such a words to her daughter, she closed her eyes, which means what? She dead. The maiden went every day to her mother's grave and wept and remained pious and good. So the daughter obeyed all the words of her mother, and she always keep good personality and pious. She believed in God like the words of mother. And she went every day to her mother's grave. You know the grave after death? Yes. So this daughter, every day she went to the grave and wept, cry from there. When winter came, the snow covered the grave with a white covering. So in the winter season, what is the speciality of winter season? Fully covered with the snow. So very cold. So when winter came, the snow covered the grave. The mother's grave is totally covered with the snow. White as a white covering. The color of the snow is white, you know that. When the sun came in the early spring and melted it away. When the sun came in the morning, the snow melted. Soon Cinderella's father married again. So the daughter's name is Cinderella. So after the death of her mother, her father, the rich man, married again. He married again. The new wife was a proud and unkind woman, but the stepmother, that is a stepmother, second marriage. So the wife, the second wife of her father, Cinderella's father, was very proud and unkind, not kind. Come to next para. The new wife brought her two daughters along with her. So this new wife of Cinderella's father had two daughters, and she also brought them with her. Though they were beautiful and fair in appearance, they are very beautiful to look, beautiful to see, and also via good appearance, fair appearance, very good looking and dress also. At heart, they were wicked and ugly. Totally, at a first glance, their appearance are so good, but their heart, they were wicked. They are cruel and ugly, dirty. Their heart is not very clean. And then began the evil times for the poor girl. There starts the coming of new wife, new stepmother, and two daughters. There start coming to this Cinderella's house. They started the bad evil time, means a bad time of Cinderella, poor girl. He is the stupid creature to sit in the same room with us, asked they. Then they asked between them, what is this a stupid girl whom Cinderella, they asked about Cinderella, is this stupid girl sit with us in the same room? Those who eat food must earn it. She is nothing but a kitchen maid. They took away her pretty dresses and forced her to put on an old grey one. And how cruel they look at these sentences. Those who eat food must earn it. She is nothing but a kitchen maid. They said that if you want to eat some food, you have to make it for us. So Cinderella, they considered the new wife of Cinderella's father and two daughters, the stepmother and her daughters, considered Cinderella as kitchen maid. Then they took away her pretty dresses. Then they took away, they changed all the pretty dresses of Cinderella and forced her to wear, put on means wear an old grey dress. They also gave her wooden shoes to wear. Cinderella had what? Glass, beautiful shoes. This time, the stepmother and her daughters just gave her wooden shoes, shoes made up of wood to wear. The stepsisters laughed at her and sent her to the kitchen. And these stepsister means Cinderella's father married another woman after Cinderella's mother's death, that is a stepmother, second mother. Then these sisters, their daughter, the daughter of this stepmother is stepsisters. They laughed at her and sent her to the kitchen. They laughed at Cinderella and they sent her to the kitchen to do all the household works. There she was made to do heavy work from morning to night. Get up early in the morning, draw water, make the fire, cook and wash. In the kitchen, many works are there for Cinderella to do. That is, she just wake up from the early morning and she going to bed at the late night and get up early in the morning, draw water. These are the activities. She have to draw water, make the fire, cook and wash, all these activities to do. In the evenings, she was quite tired after the day's hard work. Every day, early morning, she wake up and do all these household works alone. So, she was very tired. Before going to sleep, she was very tired. As she had no bed to lie upon, she had to rest on the hearth among the cinders. So, as she had no bed to lie upon, they didn't give her bed to lay down. So, she had to rest on the hearth. What is hearth? Oven. Oven is hearth. Among the cinders. So, maybe she sleep in the hearth, near side of the hearth. She always looked dusty and dirty. She always looked dusty and dirty as she slept in the cinders. So, always Cinderella looks like what? Dusty, very dusty, not very clean and dirty because she slept near cinders, in the hearth. Cinder. So, they named her Cinderella. How she got her name? Cinderella. Cinderella means what? It is just derived from the word cinder. Cinder means flame. Flame or fire, because she used to sleep near the hearth, so she got a name Cinderella. So that is the Cinder girl. Here you can see 4 questions. So just to come to the first question in this area. What advice did the dying mother give her daughter? So the first paragraph, the mother, actual mother of Cinderella give her an advice before her death. So what was that? Just to write the answer. Come to second question. What happened to the mother's grave when winter came? When winter came, something happened to the grave of the what? Mother. So what happened in the winter season? Third question. Cinderella was ill-treated by her stepmother and stepsisters. What could be the reasons? Cinderella's stepmother and stepsister tortured her. So what may be the reason? You write it. The fourth question is, why is Cinderella called so? Why Cinderella got the name Cinderella? So write it, the answers in your notebook. Now we are going to discuss what happened next. Here the next session of the story, the magic begins. The magic begins. So come to page number 43 all. Look at the top. One day the young prince of the land invited all the young girls of the kingdom to a ball, planning to choose his princess from amongst them. So magic happens there. Let's see what. One day the young prince of the land invited all the young girls. So one day the young prince, you know who is a prince? Son of a king. So the young prince of the land he invited all the young girls, of the kingdom to a ball. Ball means a dance party. Ball here means a dance party. Planning to choose his princess from amongst them. Why he invited only the young girls? Because he wanted to select his bride. So Cinderella's sisters were delighted on hearing this invitation. So Cinderella's sisters, stepsisters, became more happy by hearing this invitation. They selected best gowns, they dressed their hairs, but they were not taking Cinderella with them. So to go and participate in the ball, they also selected what? Best gowns, they dressed their hairs and they made beautiful themselves, but they didn't call Cinderella with them. You can go when beggars hold a ball. They told Cinderella that you go to where you can go when beggars held a ball, not the prince. Comb our hair, brush our shoe and make our buckles fast. We are going to the princess ball. They just ordered all these things. Just comb our hair, then brush our shoes, all those activities to Cinderella. When she heard this, Cinderella could not help crying, for she too liked to go to the party. When Cinderella heard the invitation of prince to the ball, she was very eager to go, but she can't. What, you Cinderella? In all your dust and dirt, you want to go to the ball? Then she begged. Cinderella begged to the stepmother that please bring me to the ball. But she said, Cinderella's stepmother said, what, you Cinderella? In all your dust, your dress is full of dust and dirt. You want to go to the ball, in prince ball? You have no dress, no shoes. You want to dance? She turned her back to Cinderella and hurriedly set out with her 2 proud daughters. And she said, what, you didn't have any good dress and no shoes, so you didn't come with us. Then when Cinderella lost sight of them, she felt very sad. So stepmother went to the party with her daughters and Cinderella became very sad. She started crying. That time Cinderella started crying. Now she is alone in their home. Tears rolled down her cheeks. That time when she was crying, tears just rolled from her eyes. She thought of her own mother. That time Cinderella thought of her own mother. If my mother had been alive, she would have sent me to the ball. She think that what? If Cinderella's mother is alive, she take her with the ball. Suddenly she heard a voice. You will certainly go to the ball. Suddenly Cinderella heard a voice. That is, you will certainly go to the ball. I am your fairy godmother. That time she heard the voice of a fairy godmother, an angel. Cinderella turned around. She turned around. She saw a fairy standing in front of her. That time Cinderella saw a fairy, an angel standing in front of Cinderella. I am the queen of fairies, she said. And the fairy, the angel said, I am the queen. I am the queen of all the fairies, all the angels. I will send you to the ball. I will send you to the prince ball. Well, said her godmother, be a good girl and I will contrive that you shall go. Then she promised that, who promised that? The angel, the fairy godmother promised Cinderella that I will help you to go to participate in the ball. Contrive means help. She went with Cinderella into her chamber and told her, run into the garden and bring me a pumpkin. That time she ordered, the fairy godmother ordered to Cinderella that please go to the garden and give me water, just bring me pumpkin. Here she went with Cinderella into her chamber. Chamber means a secret room, and told her, run into the garden and bring me a pumpkin. So as per the order of fairy godmother, Cinderella went to the garden. Cinderella went immediately to gather the finest pumpkin she could get and brought it to her godmother. She just selected the finest, the very good pumpkin from the garden and gave it to godmother. She could not imagine how this pumpkin could help her go to the ball. So she didn't understand how this pumpkin helped her to go to the ball. Fairy waved a magic wand over the pumpkin. This time the fairy godmother just waved. Wave means this movement of hand. Just waved a magic wand over the pumpkin in fairy godmother's hand. You know, maybe in the fairy tales you can see a stick is there in their hand. So magic stick is there. She just waved the stick and magic wand over the pumpkin. Over the pumpkin she just waved the stick. Suddenly the pumpkin changed into a red couch. That time the pumpkin is changed into a red couch. Then the fairy said, you will travel in this couch to the palace. Then the fairy godmother tell to Cinderella that you can go to this couch, go to palace through this couch. But we must have horses to draw it. But one condition is there. What? We have to drive it. So what needed? Horses. There is a mouse trap in the backyard of your house. Bring it to me. Then godmother said to Cinderella that there is a mouse trap. A mouse, you know, mouse trap is there. So in the backyard, you just bring it to me. Cinderella went out and brought the mouse trap. So Cinderella went out of the home and just give what? Mouse trap. There were 6 mice in it. It included 6 mice. The fairy waved the magic wand over it and all the mice were turned into 6 white horses. That time she waved the magic stick. Fairy godmother waved the magic stick on the mice, and that time these 6 mice were changed into 6 beautiful horses. White horses. Looking at the couch and the horses, the fairy said, now we have a couch to travel in and 6 horses to draw it. Then fairy godmother said that the couch is ready to travel and also horses are ready to ride. But we haven't any footmen. But we haven't any footman, but one man needed to just let the coach. Go again into the garden and you will find 6 lizards behind the watering pot. And again she ordered, fairy godmother ordered, you again go to the garden and you can see 6 lizards. So please give me them. Bring them. When Cinderella brought the lizards, the fairy changed them into footmen. That time the fairy godmother changed all these lizards into footmen to ride the horse. The footman bowed at her. The footman is ready now. Then he bowed. They wore blue and yellow clothes. All these footmen wore what? Blue and yellow dresses. Cinderella was very happy to see them. Cinderella became very happy. Why? Because she is going to participate in the ball. Coach is ready now. But she became sad when she looked at her clothes. But she became sad. Why? Because she didn't have any beautiful clothes to wear. But I cannot go in these rags, she said. Rag means dirty dress. So she said to, Cinderella said to fairy godmother that I can't go to the ball with this dress because this dress is dirty. I'll give you a wonderful clothes, the fairy said. That time the fairy godmother said, I'll give you the beautiful, the wonderful dress. The fairy touched Cinderella with her magic wand. That time she again, the fairy godmother again touched the dress with what? Magic wand. Her rags changed into beautiful clothes of silk and gold. That time Cinderella's dress is changed into beautiful dress of gold and silk. There were diamonds in her hair. And she wore 2 pretty glass shoes. Not only the dress but also her hair is decorated with the diamonds and she got glass shoes. Then the fairy said, you can go to the ball now, but remember the magic ends at 12 o'clock. You must return home before that time. Then one condition is there. All these things are the beautiful dress, her coach, then her hair, all these things are made up of magic. So keep it in mind that after 12 o'clock all these things are changed back to normal. So keep it in mind. You should return from the Prince Ball when before 12 p.m. So you can see questions. 5th question, we discussed the 5th question. You can go when beggars hold a ball. What would be the feelings of Cinderella to this comment? So in this session, Cinderella's stepmother said, you can go when beggars hold a party. So what would be the feeling of Cinderella then? Write your answer. Then the 6th question is, if my mother had been alive, she would have sent me to the ball. Why does Cinderella think so? Cinderella think about that. What if she had his mother, she didn't let her to sit alone in the home. So why does Cinderella think like this? Come to 7th question. What changes occurred to the following things? So after the coming of fairy godmother, some changes happened in Cinderella's life. So some things are listed here like ABCD. So you have to write the changes happened to these things. Pumpkin. So what is the change happened to pumpkin after waving the magic wand? Then the mice, then the lizards, then rats. The 8th question is, what will happen to Cinderella if she cannot return home before 12 o'clock? Fairy godmother said to her that something will happen when you didn't come to home before 12 o'clock at night. So these all are the part of magic. So what will happen? What are the things going to happen? Cinderella, if she cannot return home before 12 o'clock, what are the things will going to happen in her life if she didn't return before 12 p.m. in the night? So today we discuss the story Cinderella. The two session. The first session is Cinder. Then the next session is what? The magic begins. So our Cinderella, she didn't have her mother. Her father married another girl, another woman, and she had two daughters. They ill-treated Cinderella very badly. Then now they got an invitation from prince for what? To participate in the ball. He wanted to select the bride, best girl to marry. Then Cinderella can't go with them. So the fairy godmother appeared there and make Cinderella ready to go to the prince ball. So for today we are stopping our class here. Thank you.